You guys have less than 2 weeks left to win one of the rarest cars Subaru has ever made. I've got a link for you guys in the top of the description. If you guys want some merch, we've got it for you. We've got some new drops and some new drops coming and some really cool deals coming for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. You got less than 2 weeks left, so make sure you guys go to that link. Go to the top of the description, check out the merch, and enjoy the video. It's time to continue my 2008 Subaru STi build. Like I said initially when I picked up the car, I know a lot of people like the car the way that it is, but I always wanted to build this car a certain way. So I'm resuming and I'm doing all the things that I always wanted to do, but was incapable of doing it. Whether it's because of money or not, mostly it was because it was my only car in college and I couldn't really put the car down for a while. Also because of money. I was super broke. So we're continuing this today with the thing that, dude, look at this race car stuff we got over here, dude. Thick as hell, S2000 with the roll bar, with the chicken strips. So good. And look at the cake on the S13. I need to raise the front suspension a little bit. We get a little bit more negative camber there. Get a little bit more grip in the back. I'm so excited, boys. Anyways, so installed my dream. Forgive me, I have like a sinus infection and like a bacteria infection in my throat right now, but last video we installed my dream exhaust. We installed my dream exhaust. It was a Tomei, always wanted it. I always wanted to do a big turbo, make a little bit more power, but there were some aesthetic things that I always wanted to do to the car. And if you guys remember correctly, my Evo 10, I did a wide body on my Evo 10, or I did over fenders because I always wanted to do a wider body on my STi, but I just didn't have the balls to do it. Neither the means, but it was a little bit of balls too. One of the things I always wanted to do was this exact wing that I'm about to show you right now. I thought about doing wing risers when I was just a little wee lad, but no, had to do the real thing. This isn't a replica either. This is the real deal. This is the wing that I always wanted to install on my STi. Today, we're gonna get it started. Now, obviously this thing's gonna be unpainted. Sorry, I'm not feeling great right now. Jose is gonna come pick this up. He's gonna take it and paint it for me. This wing I seriously have wanted since I was a tiny little boy. I'm still not a very big boy, but I'm just older now. Little Evan would be shivering his timbers right now, ladies and gents. I'm so amped. Actually, is this the carbon one? This might be the carbon fiber one. I can't even remember what I bought. I just went full send on it, didn't care. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Literally, why is the hardware everywhere, bro? This is like a $2,000 wing. You can't put it in a bag? Oh, the bag came open. That's perfect. Yay. Sweet, dude. Got a man down somewhere. I don't know where. Hey, I found it. Ah. Got the hardware back, boys. I don't care how old you get, that'll never get boring. Ever in your life. If it does, you're a loser. And you're no fun. Oh, it smells so bad. It's gonna save Jose some time, but full carbon fiber, baby. So, this is the wing from VR Aero. This is the rally wing, the taller wing that, you know, guys, it's not groundbreaking or anything. It is what it is, but this is the wing that Daddy's always wanted. And so Daddy is gonna install it. This booty is gonna be so nice. So stoked. Later. The STi wing is finished and we're gonna go pick it up. We're dropping this thing off today for paint. The car is amazing and it's in mint condition, but it needs a few touch-ups just so the winner can have the most mint STi ever. I know you guys have noticed the hood. I've been meaning to get this done, and the roof as well has been needing to get done since I bought the car. So getting it repainted for you guys, dropping it off at the Lyra Designs so that you guys, whoever wins it, can have the cleanest one of 200 STi in existence. All right, we're here at the Lyra Designs. So excited. So this is the rally wing, boys, painted in the classic Subaru Lightning Red. This was already carboned, so you didn't have to do anything.
I didn't have to do anything to this. Just pretty much prime those, get them in the paint.
All right, sweet. So we've got all that. I'm pretty sure I still have all the hardware for that in my Subaru so we can get that installed this video. But I want to give you guys a little bit of an update on my IS 300. A lot of people kind of forgot about this car. I dropped this off a while ago, but because I've had so many other projects going on, I was like, you know what, Jose, take your time. Let's get it painted. Let's get it done right. I want to show you guys, give you a little update. I'm super stoked. It's really close to being done. So we did an HKS body kit on it, if you guys don't remember. Big turbo, all that kind of stuff. And now, since I'm drifting again, I kind of want to bring this car back and drift. But anyways, that's beyond what I need to talk about right now. What all did you need to do anything to the kit? Was it pretty good? Like,
well, yeah, we had to like fit it up there, make sure it fit properly, and then being it's fiberglass, lightly body work it, you know, look for air pockets and stuff like that.
Sure.
Prime it. So now we just have to
oh,
prep
it's so
them
smooth,
and,
dude.
Get into paint.
Okay. Did you think this was a pretty decent quality body kit? Like, I feel like it fit pretty decently.
Oh yeah, that's pretty decent actually. So
yeah,
it fit pretty good. I mean, it's just minor adjustments on the corners.
Okay. And then so we're gonna just paint match this, and he's gonna actually end up repainting a lot of the car. This car, when I bought it, I got a really good deal on it, so I didn't really care. But this car had a lot of just like dents and dings and all that kind of stuff. So going here, repainting a lot of this, and the fenders are in. Oh man, is this panel bond right here?
No, it's metal glaze.
This is metal glaze.
Yes.
It kind of feels like panel bond.
It does, yeah.
Okay, it's so cool. I need to get some of this. And smoothing some of this out.
I wanted to give it a full paint job just to make sure all the colors like fresh and stuff.
Oh, you
and
love me so much. You're so sweet. But dude, check out this wing. How does this even work? I'm kind of confused on how this thing goes together. Oh, is the carbon below?
I was like kind of confused.
Yeah, I don't know how this works, dude.
In the bang, so.
Dude, like, what are these bolts? I guess that's to actually mount the. I don't know where the carbon goes.
This goes on the body. I think those pieces might go back here and
figure it out. I've figured a lot more complicated things out before. And like I said, we're dropping off the Subaru today. When I detailed this car a little over a year ago, I made a lot of the panels look really nice, but I mean, Jose, have you seen how bad the hood is on this thing? It's pretty gross.
Some TLC.
Somebody watch this thing with rocks. So we're gonna get the hood repainted. If it's not too much, the front bumper's pretty cracked. And the roof, I didn't even touch it with wet sand because it was so bad that I was like, no, that's not even worth touching. So, and also the two little wings that come on the STi, they're kind of paint faded, but the nice thing is everything else is pretty mint condition. So the car looks nice. The paint on this is actually, I thought I was gonna I wanted to wrap it, but the paint on this car is really unique. Yeah, Jose, you can kind of see it's kind of cool. It has like a purpley blue flake in it. It's super unique. And I've never seen a color like this on a car. I might want to paint a car this color in the future, nice, but it's really cool. I want it to look nice, so whoever wins it, you know, it's gonna look really sick. Jose's gonna take good care of it, get it back. I'll get it off, get back to the house, and install the wing. This is the first part of the transformation that I've been wanting to make to the STi for so many years. So I'm going to assume, like any wing, it is uninstalled through, oh god, something's loose in here. I've taken this out 10,000 times 10,000 to fix rattles back here, so I'll take this out. Oh man, this tent is so nice. I'm assuming there's one 10 right there. I'm gonna assume there's probably more, but there's also some hardware inside. We've got to make sure the third brake light still works, and actually the back glass cleaner never worked, so probably should have just deleted that. This wing looks really funny without the actual other stuff on it. But this is what the WRB wing looks like. It's on there really well. So this wing's pretty expensive. So I was really like hoping and praying that nothing would be wrong. So at this point, I guess the wing risers go here, and then I guess the carbon bit goes across. But this basically, I need to polish this, and fitment's pretty good. I could probably tighten it a little bit more, but I don't want to break anything right now. It looks pretty lame right now. It looks like a little turtle that's dying. I don't know. This is kind of weird. I think that honestly, I think that this wing is as big as the OE wing, but it just looks weird because of like the shape right here. Okay, so the wing risers go on like this right here. So then you obviously see that this raises it up, and then the carbon bit goes in between there. Oh, this looks freaking wild. I've wanted this wing for such a long time, dude. Oh my gosh, bro. Wow. The fitment is actually okay, especially considering it's all just FRP. It's also sleeting outside. It was 80 degrees 3 days ago. Nice. But this dude, oh my God. It's not everybody's taste, but I don't care. This is a wing that I've been wanting to do for such a long time. So I picked up this wing about a week ago. I wanted the paint to cure before I touched it. But now that it's cured, I can go ahead and do a light polish on it with some Griot's products. And I'm going to seal it, especially the carbon fiber, because carbon, if it's not clear coated, you want to seal it so that it doesn't get sun faded. So I'm gonna be using ceramic all-in-one wax from Griot's Garage. You guys, I have a code for you guys to use their products here in the description. Griot's Garage is amazing. All their liquid car care products are made right here in the USA by their own full-time chemists, and all of their products are tested by their staff. It's also an amazing company. It's a family company. I personally know the Griot family, and I love them. They're absolutely amazing. I wouldn't tell you about the products if they sucked. And I wouldn't use them on my own cars. I'm gonna use correcting cream and then the perfecting cream so that I can get a really nice finish. But I can save you guys 10% on your Griot's purchases. Oh, gotta do this. I don't want you guys to use crappy products, so go to Griot's right now. This stuff is legit. Make sure you guys use the code that I've got for you in the description. Give Griot's Garage some support. If you want your car to look good, use Griot's. I love this. This wing was actually a little more swirled than I thought it was. I don't know if Jose or his guy was using like an older microfiber, or maybe he just polished it a little, or he buffed it a little too early after the clear coat, but I ended up doing a little more aggressive polish than I wanted to. There's some swirls that are still in there, but it looks fine. I'm not really super worried about it. I'm gonna go back and give the car a good detail eventually anyways, but dude, look at this thing, man. I know you guys know what this wing looks like, but this is my dream wing. I've wanted this wing for a long ass time, guys. You have no idea. Oh man, I honestly do. I love the way that the rear of the car looks now. Clear tails, carbon rally wing, and tome. This is already looking so good. It's not everybody's taste, and that's fine. I don't care. But I love this wing, and it's going to go perfectly with how I'm going to continue building this car. So if you don't like it how it is right now, just wait. I have, I'm not gonna spoil much, but the car's gonna change a little bit. But I love the way this thing looks. It's a little aggressive for a narrow body like WRX, but for the STi, I think it works great. The side profile is one of my favorites, the way that it's like a little bit raised up, and I love how just aggressive this is. Look at how shiny the Grio's made it, actually. I wasn't really like that before, but just doing a little bit of that ceramic 3-in-1 made it so good looking. I love, dude, look at this booty is freaking nuts. This booty's freaking nuts. Oh my gosh, dude, like, holy crap. Amazing. This was an easy install, and big thanks to Jose for getting this knocked out and painted for me. The paint's great, it matches. I was a little bit worried about the difference in color between, like, because I mean this is 15-year-old paint at this point, and this paint and this paint looks almost exactly the same. Like, I mean, it's like you can't really tell in the video, but it looks literally perfect. You can nitpick all you want, but like, it looks money. So I'm really happy with it. It's so sick. I'm really excited to continue with this car and turn it into the car that I always wanted to build. If you guys didn't know, I mean, this was my car over 10 years ago. I would have got this car this month. So in November of 2012 is when I first got this car, and now it's back and I'm modding it again, and I'm just super happy. So I want to thank you guys for watching again. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, by the way. I say this all the time, but doing motorsports again, and it's great to be back behind the wheel. It's not everybody's cup of tea to watch driving videos, but I do be uploading some driving videos. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn those notifications on. It helps me a bunch, and we're getting real close to 1 million. That's right, I said it, 1 million subscribers. We're like 950 or something right now, I don't know. But that's very exciting. It's been a long time coming, but it'll be cool just seeing that number. So sick, dude. Now, as far as my daily advice goes, you guys don't know, I give you guys daily advice each video I make. I want to advise you guys today to stay away from these people. There's a lot of people out there, in fact, it's most people, but there's a lot of people out there that are going to like you as long as you are doing the same or worse than them. And the second that you start shining, the second you start doing a little bit better, the second you start having a little bit more success than they do, it's easy for them to just drop you, and you're no longer, like, you know, a part of their friends, or no longer part of their circle, and they don't want you anymore. And those types of people are so dangerous to have around in your life, and I want you guys to cut them off at any cost. You'll know when it happens. You'll start to feel this sort of resentment towards you, and you're gonna ask yourself, like, oh, is this happening? Answer is normally 99% of the time, yes. You wanna be around people that are supportive of you, and sometimes that's hard. I have very, very few friends. I'm married with a kid, but like even before that, I didn't go out and party. I had a very, very specific small group of friends, and you move on sometimes too. Like sometimes you naturally, just because of your success or somebody else's success, you usually gravitate away from each other. Naturally, if one of you ends up doing better than the other, and then your interests change and this and that. But I just wanted to let you guys know, you should avoid being friends or trying to be friends with the people that will only be proud of you if you're doing worse than them or the same, because it's very toxic and it's not good for you. Focus on yourself, be amazing. Guys, you have less than 2 weeks left to win my one of 200 ever made Subaru STi wagon. It's being painted right now, as you guys know. You guys have heard 1,000 times. And in a week and a half, we are crazy Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. We're also bringing back the most requested clothing from the last couple of years of drops. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Go to 5threesupply.com. Every dollar you spend there just gets you a chance to enter. And that's huge. You can buy a sticker, you can buy a hoodie, whatever it is, like $5, $60. That's however many entries you get. So love you guys. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace. Hey, I got 2 videos for you guys to watch. If you guys don't know this drill by now, what I say every time, then you don't watch enough of the outros. But I got 2 videos in front of your face, and hey, it's gonna help me a lot if you go watch them. I'm also gonna love you more, even more than I do right now.